children, I'm Pratyusha. How are you? I hope you all are doing well. Today we shall discuss lesson 8 of our English reader, that is Mittu and the Yellow Mango. We know mango, but what is this Mittu? Let's look into the story. Listen and enjoy the story. Mittu was a parrot. Children, who is Mittu? Mittu was a parrot. In the picture you can see the parrot is green in color and its beak is red in color. Mittu was a parrot, a green parrot with a red beak. So Mittu is a parrot. The name of the parrot is Mittu. The parrot is green in color and its beak is red in color. One day Mittu was flying. Generally birds fly. So one day Mittu the parrot was flying. He loved to fly. You love to play, right? In the same way, Mittu loved to fly. He likes flying in the sky. He looked down. When Mittu was flying in the air, he looked down. He saw a big yellow mango on a tree. When Mittu was flying, he suddenly looked down. And when he looked down, he saw a mango. How is the mango? The mango is yellow in color and it is big. Mittu saw a yellow mango on a tree. Mittu liked mangoes. We all like mangoes, right? In the same way, Mittu also liked mangoes. Mittu liked mangoes. I want to eat that yellow mango. So Mittu wanted to eat that yellow mango. After looking at that mango, Mittu was very eager to eat that mango. If your mother cooks any delicious dish, if it's your favorite, what will you do? You will be very eager to eat it, right? In the same way, Mittu was eager to eat the mango. I want to eat that yellow mango, he said. He flew down to the tree. Mittu wanted to eat that yellow mango, so he flew towards the mango tree. Cow, cow, go away. This is my tree, said a voice. Suddenly Mittu heard a voice. Someone was saying, Cow, cow, go away. This is my tree. Someone said, Mittu, go away from here. This is my tree. Children, can you tell me who says cow, cow? Yes, a crow. Mittu looked up. He saw a big black crow. First, Mittu only heard the voice. Someone said Mittu to go away from the tree. When Mittu looked up, he saw a crow. How was the crow? The crow was big and it is black in color. Cow, cow, go, go, the crow shouted. The crow shouted, go from here. He had a very loud voice. The crow had very loud voice. Mittu was afraid of the crow. See, the crow had a very loud voice and it asked Mittu to go away from the tree. Looking at that crow, Mittu was afraid because it was very big and black. It had loud voice. Mittu was afraid of the crow. He flew away. He was afraid and he flew away from the tree. Mittu saw a red balloon. Children, in the picture you can see there is a balloon lying under the tree. What is the color of the balloon, children? Yes, it is red in color. So Mittu saw a red colored balloon lying under the tree. It was under a tree. The balloon was under the tree. He had an idea. Looking at that balloon, Mittu suddenly got an idea. He picked up the red balloon. He took that red balloon. He was careful not to burst it. Children, balloons are very sensitive, isn't it? When you blow air into the balloon, you will make sure that the balloon will not burst, isn't it? You will be very careful when you are blowing air into the balloon. So Mittu, he took the balloon very carefully so that the balloon will not burst. He flew to the mango tree. Mittu took the red colored balloon and he flew towards the mango tree. The crow was sitting on the tree. Who was on the mango tree? The crow was sitting on the mango tree. The crow was sitting on the tree. Mittu went behind the tree. Mittu went to the back side of the tree. He went back of the crow. The crow did not see Mittu and the crow did not see the red colored balloon. Mittu went behind the tree and he was back of crow. He pecked the balloon with his red beak. Peck means generally birds they bite using their beak, isn't it? It is called peck. P-E-C-K. Peck means bite using the beak. Generally birds peck. Mittu pecked the balloon. If we make a hole to balloon, what happens? It gets burst, isn't it? So the balloon burst. Pop! The balloon burst. When the balloon gets burst, it makes noise, right? It makes a loud sound. Pop! It made a loud noise. Cow, said the crow. Listening to that loud sound, the crow said, cow! And he fell off the tree. Children, if you hear any loud sound suddenly, what do? You get afraid, isn't it? You run away from that place. In the same way, here the crow did not see Mittu and he did not see the balloon. When crow suddenly heard the loud sound, he fell off from the tree. He ran away from the tree. Cow, cow, a big gun is after me, said the crow. See, the crow thought someone has come to shoot me. The crow said, cow, cow, a big gun is after me. The crow thought someone has come, a hunter might have come to catch me, to shoot me. So it said, a big gun is after me. Someone is shooting me with a gun. He flew away. He never came back to the tree again. The crow thought someone is hunting him and he never came back to the tree again. Mittu came to the tree. Now the crow has flew away from the tree. Mittu happily came to the mango tree. He ate the big yellow mango. Yummy, yummy, what a nice mango, he said. In the picture you can see Mittu is happily enjoying the mango. He is eating the mango and he said, yummy, wow, how tasty it is. What a nice mango, he said. He was very happy. Mittu was very happy because he likes mangoes and he is eating mango now. Clever Mittu. Yes, Mittu is clever, isn't it? Using his idea, he got the mango. So Mittu is clever. How is the story, children? It's nice, right? So we must think wisely. Now, let's look at the new words of this lesson and try to make sentences using these new words, children. The first word is parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T. Parrot. I saw a parrot near my home. Next, yellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W. Yellow. I have yellow bangles. Voice. V-O-I-C-E. Voice. I have sweet voice. Next, shout. S-H-O-U-T. Shout. The teacher shouted at children. Balloon. B-A-L-L-O-O-N. Balloon. My father bought a balloon for me. Careful. C-A-R-E-F-U-L. Be careful when you cross the road. B-A-C-K. Back. I come back from school in the evening. Next, green. G-R-E-E-N. Green. The trees are green in color. Mango. M-A-N-G-O. Mango. I like mangoes. Black. B-L-A-C-K. Black. I have black hair. Loud. L-O-U-D. Loud. I have loud voice. Can you speak loudly? Next, idea. I-D-E-A. Idea. I have an idea. Can you tell your idea? Behind. B-E-H-I-N-D. Behind. There is a temple behind my home. Clever. C-L-E-V-E-R. Clever. I am a clever girl. B-E-A-K, beak. Birds eat with their beak. Tree, T-R-E-E. There are many trees around my home. Crow, C-R-O-W. I saw a crow in the morning. Afraid, A-F-R-A-I-D, afraid. I am afraid of lizards. Pick, P-I-C-K, pick. Can I pick a chalk piece? Noise, N-O-I-S-E, noise. Will you stop making noise? The children are making a lot of noise in the class. Next, let's read. Children, here two sentences are given. Let us try to read these sentences, children. I like eating a mango. Children, observe the sentence started with a capital letter I and the sentence ended with full stop. Next, I-L-I-K-E, like, F-E-E-D-I-N-G, feeding means giving food. A-C-R-O-W, crow. I like feeding a crow. I like giving food to a crow. Next, reading is fun. Here are some questions for you children. Try to answer. What did Mittu see on the tree? One day when Mittu was flying, suddenly he saw something on the tree. What did Mittu see on the tree? Yes, a big yellow mango. Mittu saw a big yellow mango on the tree. What did the big black crow say? Children, the crow said something to Mittu. What did the crow say? The crow said, go away from here. This is my tree. The big black crow said, cow, cow, go away. This is my tree. What did Mittu see under the tree? Children, tell me, what did Mittu see under the tree? Yes, Mittu saw a red balloon under the tree. Next, let's talk. Let's discuss. Children, do you like eating mangoes? Yes, I do like eating mangoes. Do you like green mangoes? Why? Children, do you like green mangoes? Yeah, just like you, I too like green mangoes because green mangoes are sour in taste. Next, do you like yellow mangoes? Why? Children, tell me, do you like yellow mangoes? Yes, I too like yellow mangoes. I like yellow mangoes because they are sweet in taste. Next, let's share. Color the chili red and the parrot in colors of your choice. Children, here the outline of a parrot is given. We have to fill the color. I have filled the color. I have colored the parrot with green color and chili with red color and the branch with brown color. Next, sing. Parrot with a red beak, can you really speak? Mittu, 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 mittu. Children, here a song is given. A very short song is given. Try to sing this song according to your rhythm. Next, trace the path of the ladybird. Children, ladybird is an insect which is red in color and it has black dots on its body. In the picture you can see the ladybird. It's moving in some path. We have to join the dots and trace the path. I too have joined the dots and traced the path. Next, match the fruit and vegetables to the trees they grow on. Children, towards left they have given some fruits and vegetables and towards right they have given the trees. We have to match the fruits and vegetables to the trees from where they have come. Let's match banana to the banana tree, the third tree. Next, coconut. Where is coconut tree? Yes, the first one is the coconut tree. Let us join coconut with the coconut tree. Next, apple. Here you can find apples on one tree. Join the apple with apple tree. Next, grapes. We get grapes from grapevine. It's a climber. Join grapes with grapevine. Next, mango. We get mangoes from mango tree. I too have joined the lines. Next, learn to write. Draw over the dotted lines. Children, here dots are given. Join these dots. Children, can you tell me what is this? Yes, this is tabla. This is a musical instrument. Next, say aloud. Children, here some words are given. Let us try to read them aloud. B-A-T bat. C-A-T cat. M-A-T mat. B-E-D bed. F-E-D fed. R-E-D red. B-I-T bit. H-I-T hit. P-I-T pit. D-O-T dot. H-O-T hot. P-O-T pot. B-U-N bun. F-U-N fun. R-U-N run. Next, choose a letter from the box and complete the words below. Children, in the box you can see some letters. Which letters are given? A, E, I, O, U. And below that you can see some missing letters, isn't it? So we have to fill these missing letters using these 5 letters. A, E, I, O, U. Try to fill the missing letters, children. S-T. S-A-T sat. Sat is the past tense of sit. Or S-I-T sit. Next, F-U-N fun. Or F-A-N fan. Children, in this way, try to fill the missing letters using these 5 letters. When you fill the letters, see that the word has some meaning. Right? P-I-G pig. L-E-G leg. B-A-G bag. S-A-T sat or S-I-T sit. D-O-T dot. L-O-T lot. S-U-N sun. S-O-N sun. S-O-N sun means beta. B-I-N bin. Children, I hope you have understood the lesson well. That's all for today. Thank you all. Have a good day.